probably make that mistake once.
That was called the flitch. In the attic of the Boone house, there's boards with the flitch still on. They just would smooth it off a little bit. They didn't waste that and put it in the floorboard.
I woke up, he was swimming.
That's it.
Yeah, because I got stopped because I was like, can I like get around? I could go through
Alright. Now Jeff is going to walk the wheel back, the rag wheel back. I have those patches over there. We're going to return the carriage to its original position.
Oh, wow.
You get close. About a foot to go.
It's like doing knees, but then also doing
Good.
knees. Yeah, it's like it's a workout. It's a workout. And then that comes up and you're...
And now we got to split, as Jeff has just said, we're going to split off this last little bit.
If they did, I would still be there.
Okay, and that's our last slab. Yeah, that's the last slab. Now we'll be able to do some dimension lumber. We've got a flat on the top and a flat on the bottom. Now we can actually start cutting boards.
So one of the things too about working, particularly in dating buildings, is you can sometimes date the construction based on the sash marks in the lumber that might be used for the joists or the rafters. So at a certain point, then the technology changes to a circular saw, and so sash. If you're looking at sash sawing, you might be able to date it to a industrial time period after the Industrial Revolution. Then you start to get circular marks,
And then it went back. Now you have all bandsaw.
Yeah, can you pull that down? You can see if they can see the sash marks that are.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. It works better in one direction than the other, though. I mean, if you have something with circular saw marks on it, you can be pretty much sure it was done after 1860. But something like this, this mill ran into the 1930s.
Yeah.
So you could have vertical saw marks on lumber in a house and still have it be 20th century.
That's
not
true.
very likely.
Not likely.
Not likely, but.
But knowing what technology was available where at what time, I mean, you're not likely to find that in the city, for example, but out here,
Yeah, you might. Like in the
definitely.
farm community,
Yeah.
you might. Yeah. And the interesting thing about this mill being here on this property. Pretty simple. Just gotta keep